So this is the end of the previous section, and now let's go through the exact things which we have learned in this section. So these are the following things which we have learned in this section. So we have learned about views in Django. That is, we have learned how exactly can we create views in Django and what is the significance of creating views. So we have created multiple views. We have actually defined those views using a Python function. We have passed in a request to those particular views, and we have also rendered templates using that view. Then we have learned about URL patterns. We have learned why exactly do we need URL patterns for routing in our Django app. We have also learned the different ways of defining URL patterns, either in the urls.py file of your app or the urls.py file of your project. Then we learned about models and how models can be used to actually create database tables. We have learned how to define different kinds of fields inside the model, how to make migrations, and why exactly migrations are required in order to set up a database table in the backend. Then we have learned about how to actually go ahead and create a super user so that we can access the admin panel. So we have learned what is an admin panel, how to actually get access to admin panel, and how to work with the admin panel to add data to our database as the site administrator. Then we have learned about templates, that is how you can actually go ahead, use HTML web pages in your Django website, and how exactly can you pass dynamic data obtained from the database to these templates. So we have actually extracted the database data using Django models using the Django ORM, and we have actually passed in data to the template, and we have dynamically rendered those templates. Then we have learned about static files, that is how exactly you can go ahead, add some sort of CSS code to your website using static files. We have learned how to create the folder which contains all of our static files. We have also learned about the load static tag, which allows us to actually use static files on our website. Then we have also completed the authentication section as well. We have learned how exactly can we write a functionality to log in, log out, and sign up users on our site. Then we have learned about Django signals, class-based views, and these are all the things which we have learned in this entire section. And using these concepts, we have actually built a food menu app, and we have implemented each one of these features in that specific app. So I hope you guys enjoyed creating this specific app and learning all of these concepts. So if you have any doubts or difficulties understanding anything or any concept or anything inside these concepts, feel free to post in the Q&A section and I will be there to help you out. So as this section ends, from the next lecture onwards, we are going to start a brand new section and learn a few more concepts in Django. Thank you.